Ever wonder why your money seems to get stuck in limbo with Mamo? You've made a sale, the payment is confirmed, you're ready to get paid, and then, nothing. The settlement is held. It's a frustrating experience that can disrupt your cash flow and leave you scratching your head. You're not alone. Many businesses, especially new ones, face this very issue. It's a common question, and today we're going to break down the key reasons why Mamo might withhold your settlements, and more importantly, what you can do about it. To understand why Mamo sometimes holds your funds, you have to remember that they are a regulated financial institution. Their primary responsibility is to protect both you, the business owner, and the cardholder. This isn't about being difficult, it's about adhering to strict regulations designed to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. These checks and balances are in place to keep the entire financial ecosystem safe and secure. One of the most common reasons for a settlement hold is routine security checks. Mamo, like any other payment processor, has a system in place to monitor transactions for unusual activity. This could be a large, uncharacteristic payment, a series of payments from different locations in a short period, or a transaction that simply raises a red flag in their automated system. Think of it as a bouncer at a club. They're not trying to ruin your night, they're just making sure everyone inside is safe. When a transaction is flagged, Mamo's team needs to manually review it. This process can take a few business hours, during which your settlement will be on hold. It's an inconvenience, yes, but it's a necessary step to protect you from fraudulent chargebacks down the line. Another major factor is account verification. When you first sign up for Mamo, you go through a verification process. This is the Know Your Customer, or KYC, and Know Your Business, or KYB, process. Mamo is legally obligated to collect and verify information about you and your business. If any of the documents you submitted are incorrect, expired, or incomplete, they may place a hold on your settlements until the issue is resolved. This is a critical step in their anti-money laundering, or AML, checks. Make sure all your business licenses, personal identification, and bank account details are up to date and accurately reflected in your Mamo profile. A small error here can lead to significant delays. The nature of your business can also be a factor. Certain industries are considered high risk by financial institutions. This doesn't mean your business is doing anything wrong, it just means that the industry itself is more susceptible to disputes or fraudulent activity. If your business falls into one of these categories, Mamo may require additional documentation for certain transactions, such as communication records with the customer or proof of delivery. This isn't a punishment, it's a proactive measure to protect you from future financial losses that could arise from a customer dispute. Finally, let's talk about the settlement schedule itself. Mamo offers different settlement schedules, from a standard 5-day cycle to same-day settlements. The standard settlement period gives them time to process and reconcile transactions. If you've opted for a standard schedule, you simply need to be patient. However, if you're experiencing delays beyond the expected time frame, it's worth checking your Mamo dashboard for any alerts or reaching out to their support team. Remember, weekends and public holidays don't count as business days, so payments made on a Friday may not settle until the following week. The key takeaway here is that Mamo isn't withholding your money to be difficult. They're doing it to fulfill their legal obligations and to protect your business. By understanding their policies, ensuring your account information is always accurate, and being prepared for routine security checks, you can minimize delays and keep your cash flow moving smoothly. If you have a settlement that's delayed, the best course of action is to use the chat function in your Mamo dashboard to get a real-time update. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.